Good afternoon. It's flaming cold. Flipping Nora. Right, we've got a Beetle. But this one's a little bit special, this one. This one's got all your fancy bits and pieces in here. It's even got an EOBD, and it's in the 70s. How did this one get one? It's also got a computer. I got called out at a bad start, but what someone had done is put a screw like that into there, and that's all that was holding that metal bit. So I put another screw in here and put a nut there, so it's all nice and tight now, and it starts up every time. The other problem I've been asked to come and have a look at is we've got an oil pressure problem. But if you have a listen, when you hear that on there, and no, it's not crankshaft pulley. I've got my oil pressure now reading down to 10, and if I leave you there, I'm going to pull this pipe here, which is the PCV, or one of the PCV valves, pipes that go to it, that one there. So I'm going to pull it off the rocker, or the valve cover, and you watch it go up. Come on. Hear that? And then up comes the, and that's why the oil pressure's dropping, because the PCV valve is blocked, so that sorts that problem out. It's got a lack of pressure, and I'm going to believe that could have something to do with it, with the PCV valve, and it's just pressurising up the engine, and it can't run right. The other problem I've got is it's got no lambda sensors, but my injection pulse, I don't know what this is reading off. I've got no lambdas, so it can actually pick up and tell me, but it does change when you rev it up. So why would it go lean when you're accelerating? I don't know. I mean, manifold pressure's okay, but as I say, it's got no lambda sensors. Codes is, where's the codes? So you've got refold codes. That's it in a nutshell, really. So history codes, but I reckon it possibly could be the main reason you're out actually could have been coded out. Don't know. I mean, I'm not really into. And then we go into historic. No, I did that, didn't I? What a wally. Go into current codes, and it says there's nothing there. But we know the lambda sensors are not connected, so as I say, it's a modified vehicle. See, I didn't even know it had an EOBD until I had a good look around it, and it's got the, if you have a look, it's got the OBD1 there, but that one don't work, which I've just found out. But as you can see now, I'm running over 14 psi is the lowest this should run at, and that's what's actually causing the problem. Thought I'd show you that one, but she's quite smart, the old Beetle with a Subaru engine. So I have to talk now and find out about the lambda sensors and what it's reading. I don't understand what it is reading, but I've sorted the oil and I've sorted the starting, and it's got to have a lambda sensor in it. Got to. I mean, how is it actually reading the pulse sensors? It's reading rich, isn't it? Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. Remember, press the old button and subscribe. See what other one I get up with. See you later.